George McDermott. I'm here at Oxon Hill, Maryland post office. I just sent off a certified registered mail to the Cecil County Sheriff's Department. Post office in the background, letting her know that Sherry Eveland is unfortunately I had to notify them that Sherry was sleeping in the open trailer on her father's property in Elkton, Maryland, which they stole from her. She called yesterday, said she had no food for the last 3 days. She had no water. She had no one up there would help. I've called all my friends, everybody I knew up there to try to see if they could deliver if I could send $100 to a local Walmart, if they would be able to just go to the Walmart and pick it up and take it to her and give her something so she could get some water and some food. But nobody up there is returning calls. I called every social services agency in Cecil County, Maryland. 70% of them, their telephone numbers no longer work. And the ones that I got, they say she has to be transported there. She has no means of transport, no nothing. The situation is beyond dire. So I sent out a certified registered letter to the sheriff. I just mailed it off. And I've got to go back in and get the green card. I don't see a green card. She didn't give me a green card. But now this afternoon, this is the 5th day of May 2026. This is a letter that I'm hand delivering to all 44 members of the House Judiciary Committee. And I'm going to include the sheriff's letter in it, asking for a hearing as to why all these courts, none of them have jurisdiction to protect victims of corporate fraud and lawyer malfeasance and judicial malfeasance. And so the only way I can get help for her is to have her turn her in for as a trespasser on her own property, so she can be arrested and then she can demand a jury trial, and we can expose everything that's going on in this corrupt system of injustice for everybody in the United States. It's insane. Nobody will help her. It's going on very close to 12 years now. They've stolen over $18 million of her family's property. It's well documented in thousands of documents in almost 60 courts. Nobody has jurisdiction. Nobody has the authority to investigate. Nobody will do anything for these victims. So I'm taking this against her will. I told her she'd be better off in jail. At least she would survive. She would have 3 meals until she can get some food and some medical attention that she needs. But it costs me, every time I go up there, it took 4 or 5 to 7 hours up there. And I don't have, I've got to get to Congress this afternoon and tomorrow to deliver these documents. So I would rather see her arrested and charged, and then she has the right to address her accusers and in open court. And the people who stole her property, they have no valid claim to them. The county's so deep in this, it's pitiful. But, you know, over 500,000 people being forced into foreclosure and bankruptcy this month alone across this nation, and the judges dismiss all their cases as saying lack of jurisdiction or lack of legal standing or whatever, and they allow these bankers to steal, rape, rob, and pillage the assets of our citizens. This has got to stop. It's got to stop now. So, this is George McDermott. I'll pick this up when I get down to the house, Rayburn House office building where I'm going first. Then I'm going to the Canyon office building and to the Longworth office building and deliver to every office and let them know exactly what the hell is going on. I'll pick this up when I get there. God bless everyone. Have a good day.